Good morning, everyone. So, yeah, thank you for your cooperation. So, we just begin with our today's meeting. So, a very good morning to all, and we welcome Teacher Shushmita, Teacher Anju, Teacher Jaina, and myself. We welcome you all for this special online meet. So, before we begin, we'll begin with a small prayer as we are beginning with a new academic year. Oh God, we thank you for this new and beautiful day. We thank you for our gift of life given to each one of us present for the meeting, and also those who could not attend the meeting due to some reason. We thank you for keeping us safe under your love and care. Today, as we have gathered together for our children's academic growth, please be with us along this journey of our children's education growth and help us to fulfill our responsibilities as parents and teachers for the better future of life. Thank you. So we begin with our session for today's meeting. We'll just share the screen with you. Welcome everyone, my dear parents. Welcome to the new morning with smile on your face, love in your heart, good thoughts in your mind. Wish you a lovely morning always. Once again, a very good morning. So as we begin with our orientation program for parents, it will comprise of two things. Orientation program will be comprising of two things. Standard 3rd onwards, formal assessment will be conducted by the school in the academic session. During COVID-19, we will have online assessment procedure. So as you all know that this is our 3rd standard and this is a beginning of an academic. It is not as same as 1st and 2nd. So for academic, there are certain system which is to be followed for the assessing of a child for the exam. So on this process and how this process works, so our meeting is for this reason. Standard 3rd onwards. So now I call Teacher Jaina to explain about the system regarding our 3rd standard.
Good morning, parents. Myself, Jaina Gandhi. I will explain about assessment conduct by school in academic session. There will be two terms, term 1 and term 2. This is term 1 program, month of April, subject enrichment activity. This is activity, okay, SEA 1. It is already done in April month. June month, we will conduct periodic test, means PTA 1. In August month, subject enrichment activity 2, SEA 2. And in September month, term 1 exam. This is full plan for term 1. Same like this, term 2. November month, we will conduct subject enrichment activity 3, SEA 3. In December month, we will conduct periodic test 2, PT 2. January month, subject enrichment activity 4. And in the March month, it is final exam. Okay, this subject enrichment activity means what? This is activity given by the teacher. And periodic test means what? Given by the, like a paper Google form or a docs like this. Okay. And term 1 and term 2, I think so 60 marks and 80 marks paper. Last 2 years we have follow cycle pattern in 1st and 2nd standard. But 3rd standard onwards, we will follow this pattern. You have any doubt about our term 1 and 2? Please ask. This is our system, school system. And in the report card, we will calculate all the marks. So, dear parents, please attentive about these activities. Yes? Now, I will call Teacher Stella to explain about our first periodic test guidelines.
Actually, when these exams will be conducted, it is means togetherness is there. Many things will be taken, like this activity, then the Google form. There is no written exam for them. It will be in the form of Google form, but it can be flexible. So you have to if you have to be mentally ready for, it can be in the written form also, means the questions will be given in the docs form, they'll have to write in the answer sheet. That depends on the principal. As and when, according to the situation, that exam will be conducted. So it is open in both options. One is Google form and one is in that PDF, means they will have to write it. But at present, this exam for periodic, we are having only Google form. All the MCQs will be given, only they have to tick. Only they have to tick. And for the report card, as Jaina teacher has explained, this assessment means Google form. There are three things. If we explain to you, one is the activity which we are conducting. As you know now, we have conducted activity. So compulsory that activity has to be. You have to do it. If you are absent, we will be conducting again. But every child has to come as a record in for the report card. Second one is the Google form, which we are doing, which we will be having next week. And the third one is the notebook work, the notebook assessment. So it's according to the system. As you know, last year also we had called the notebooks for checking. But now, according to the system, we will see whether we can ask for the books for checking, or means that will be seen. But the three things are together for the assessment of your child's report card. Okay. So your book completion, that is also important. Learning part, Google form system, and the activity. All these three are very important for your child's from first standard onwards. This will carry on till your further classes. Now, due to COVID-19 pandemic, for periodic test 1, we will conduct online assessment. So for online assessment, parents, there are some guidelines to be followed. The first one, parents should be ready with child's email ID provided from the school with password. As you know, we are trying to solve this problem before this exam can start. That is why we are having this practice test paper during this week. So whatever your difficulties related to your ID, email ID, whatever problems you are not having password, we have informed you that you inform us in the class WhatsApp group, so that we can solve your problem, and during exam you are not faced with any difficulty. So it has to be ready during your Google form exam, the ID and the password. Next, parents have to be present compulsorily to attend child's technical difficult issue during exam. Every parent is compulsory to be present. Any one parent, but compulsory, because it's a new way of giving exam for child. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you leave the child will give the exam. No, there will be some issue we won't understand, because sometimes the format or the English or the reading is not able. So in all the way, any one parent, please be present with your child. Third, this exam will be conducted through Google form in online mode, including those who have opted for offline class. There will be no offline mode of exam. Okay, so this is compulsory, both offline students and online. Those who are doing now classes from home through offline mode, means they are not able to come online. But those students also are important. So we have called you personally, offline students, parents, to attend this meeting, so that you are aware that online this Google form exam is important and compulsory within that particular time given for you. जो time दिया है 8:30 से 9, करेक्ट, 8:30 to 9, उस समय में सबको, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स और ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, सबको प्रेजेंट रहना है, और उसी समय ही आपको वो पेपर आपका कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, उसी समय में, वही समय टाइम पीरियड है, और उसी समय में अगर कुछ डिफिकल्टी आपको तुरंत बताना है, वो आगे के गाइडलाइंस में हम बता रहे हैं. Parents, students have to join 15 minutes before the start of the exam. ओके, जैसे हम अभी विजिबिलिटी के लिए हम 15 मिनट्स बिफोर विजिबिलिटी देते हैं, आपको ज्वाइन होना है. 2 minutes before the starting of the exam, link or Google form will be sent in the Google Classroom already created by the teacher. तो आपको जो पेपर भी है, ओके, वो जस्ट 2 minutes बिफोर. तो आप जैसे ही ज्वाइन होते हैं, आपको माइक ऑफ रखना है, और 8:30 का पेपर है, तो 8:28 को आपको पेपर दिया जाएगा. और वो दिया जाएगा गूगल क्लासरूम में। ओके, गूगल क्लासरूम, नॉट इन व्हाट्सएप, गूगल क्लासरूम। तो आपको गूगल क्लासरूम में जाना है, वहां पे क्लिक करना है और आपको स्टार्ट करना है। ओके, नेक्स्ट। While attending the exam, if any difficulty regarding network issue or device problem, immediately inform your class WhatsApp group. जैसे आप टाइप करे हो, कुछ नेटवर्क इशू आया, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आया, आपको तुरंत उसी समय में व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज करना है। हमको तुरंत इमीडिएटली कि आना चाहिए, या ये चलो नोएल से कुछ डिफिकल्टी आया है, या वेदास के वहां से नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम है, मोबाइल डिवाइस में प्रॉब्लम है, तो हमें पता होना चाहिए आपका डिफिकल्टी, क्योंकि 8:30 और 9 के बीच में जो भी डिफिकल्टी है उसको हम लोग गाइड कर सकते हैं। Problem will be solved through phone call by the teacher, but if the problem is not solved, then the parents have to come with child in the school immediately. Okay? तो उसी समय में हम आपसे कॉल करेंगे, जब आप आपको हमें when you are sending message in the WhatsApp group, हम आपको कॉल करेंगे, फिर आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे, और अगर नहीं होता है तो आपको हम बोलेंगे कि आपको स्कूल में आके ये एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा। ओके, यस। और जब आप स्कूल में आते हो तो आपको आपका पासवर्ड, आपका ईमेल आईडी, ये सब एक लेके ही आना है, फुल्ली प्रिपेयर्ड होके आना है, और आपके बच्चे के साथ आना है, क्योंकि घर से आप एग्जाम नहीं दे पा रहे हो, तो आपका ईमेल आईडी, पासवर्ड और बच्चे के साथ आपको स्कूल में आके एग्जाम देना होगा। Parents having twins children should be having 2 separate devices, especially during exam, because 2 different question paper will be sent. जिसके भी 2 ट्विंस बच्चे हैं, जिसके भी ट्विंस बच्चे हैं, मैं उनका नाम भी ले सकती हूँ, अदीरा, आयदा, वेदिका, विद्या, अविन एंड अविक। ओके, ये हमारे 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में ट्विंस चिल्ड्रन है। तो एग्जाम के समय में ये 6 के 6 बच्चे के पास अलग अलग डिवाइस होने चाहिए। All the 6 students will be doing the exam in the different device, क्योंकि दोनों को अलग अलग क्वेश्चन पेपर भेजा जाएगा। ओके, सो पर फिर भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आपको हमें इन्फॉर्म करना है। अभी जैसे हमारा ऑनलाइन मीट खत्म होता है, आपको हमने ऑलरेडी हमने इन्फॉर्म भी किया कि आपको व्हाट्सएप में हमको इन्फॉर्म करना है कि कौन से बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम है, कि आप स्कूल से लेने वाले हो कि घर से करने वाले हो, ये हमें इन्फॉर्म करना है बिफोर द एग्जाम। ओके, स्पेशली ट्विंस चिल्ड्रन का आप एग्जाम्स, आपके बच्चे को, कोई भी एक बच्चे का एग्जाम आप कैसे कंडक्ट कर रहे हो, हमें इन्फॉर्म होना चाहिए। तो प्लीज मेंशन टू योर क्लास टीचर्स इन द क्लास व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, अदीरा, आयदा, अविक, अवीन एंड वेदिका एंड विद्या, प्लीज इन्फॉर्म टू योर क्लास टीचर आपका एग्जाम आप कैसे देने वाले हो। So parents have to inform personally to their class teacher after the online meeting about the device. Okay, ये भी मैंने point clear किया। Now teacher Jaina will give instructions regarding filling of the Google form. Exam में आपका process, exam का pattern या form, exam कैसा होगा, अभी teacher Jaina explain करेगी।
Okay, my presentation is visible, parents? Yes. Okay. Now this is your classroom. Okay. On exam day, we will send 2 minutes before exam paper. Okay, through the Google form. We will send link. Just 1 minute. See this. Okay. Now, before exam, 2 minutes before, we will send link or a direct Google form in your classroom. Okay. You have to just click on this link. आपको ये लिंक के ऊपर क्लिक करना है, और अदरवाइज आपको ये फॉर्म के ऊपर क्लिक करना है, एनी वन। ओके, और one more thing, we will send link in your chat box also. Suppose we are not able to join. If you have some network issue or any problem, and you have to not join in Meet, no problem, open your classroom at that time and do this paper. Okay. Now see this. I click this link. This is my practice paper. First one is name of the students. Suppose my name is Jaina Gandhi. Okay. Here you have to written father's name. Okay. Then you have to click on division. Okay. Then click on next button. After that, your question paper will be open. This is your question paper. See this, in computer, two sections are there, but different subjects, different sections are there. Okay. Then you have to click one by one. First page is what? Your personal detail, like parents name, student's name, father's name, and your division, like this. Then you have to click next button, and after that your question paper will be open. एक्चुअली कंप्यूटर में 2 सेक्शंस है, बट डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स में आपको डिफरेंट सेक्शन मिलेंगे. किसी में 4 सेक्शन है, आई थिंक सो इन साइंस 3rd सेक्शन, इंग्लिश 4th सेक्शन, लाइक दिस. देन यू हैव टू क्लिक नेक्स्ट. इन एवरी सेक्शन पार्टीशन इज देयर. You have to click next button, and after that you don't forget submit button. You have to click submit. Okay. When you have to click submit button, in your side one message are showing like I have received your paper successfully from the teacher. Actually जब भी आप यहाँ से पेपर सबमिट करोगे आपके यहाँ से, तो आपके मोबाइल में और डेस्कटॉप पे आपको एक मैसेज आएगा कि टीचर ने आपका पेपर सक्सेसफुली रिसीव कर लिया है. Okay. One more thing, parents, requested to kindly go through exam portion and blueprint given by the teacher in Google Classroom. It is already in your classroom. Okay. And WhatsApp group also. So please, dear parents, prepare your child well for periodic test 1. This is our periodic test timetable. Visibility will be given at 8:15 AM. आपको ज्वाइन करने के लिए विजिबिलिटी मिलेगा 8:15 AM को. Assembly prayer 8:20 AM. Question paper will be shared 8:20 AM in your classroom, Google Classroom. And exam timing is 8 AM to 9 AM. Okay. Now parents, you have any doubt or any questions about this exam or any subject related you have to difficulty, or I think so yesterday I sent one practice test. Yes, so many parents, I think so 10 or 15 parents, they are not students, they are not sending their activity, practice test activity. Okay. So today 9 AM to 12:30 AM you please come in school with your device. आप ऐसा करो कि सपोज आपको जो फोन में आपके बच्चों को एग्जाम देना है वही डिवाइस लेके आना है. यहाँ पे ऐसा हो जाएगा कि सपोज आपने दूसरा फोन लेके आया, फिर बाद में वापस सेटअप अगर मे बी आप नहीं कर पाओगे घर पे. इसीलिए जो पेरेंट्स को डिफिकल्टी है अबाउट पासवर्ड, प्लीज कम इन स्कूल. आई एम अवेलेबल इन 9 AM to 12:30 PM. Okay. Now parents, you have any difficulty about this exam or any subject related, you have to ask questions. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, at that same time, my daughter is in 8th standard and she is exam from 7 to 8 o'clock. So
Okay.
after that, I can continue Vedash exam on that?
7 to 8 o'clock, no?
Yeah, she is in 8th standard, but must be her class will be continue. Na? I am using one laptop only
Okay.
between them.
Okay, now Veda's exam is 8:30.
Yeah, but her class must be going on, na? At that
Okay.
time.
तो आप यहाँ से स्कूल में आके एग्जाम दे सकते हैं.
Okay. Okay.
But please inform in your class teacher, okay?
okay.
In
okay.
WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
If you are facing any difficulty that you are finding that there will be some difficulty during that, I won't be able to give my child the exam, the student. So please come, or no, first you inform us. Now during this week only you inform us in the WhatsApp group, whatever is your difficulty. Yes. Still you have time, so you can tell us whatever is your difficulty, we'll try to solve it. और जो अभी वेदास का मम्मी ने बोला तो आप स्कूल में आके दीजिए तो आपको अच्छा हो जाएगा. Okay? Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
And yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I had one doubt. Brianna, actually, she will be attending her exam alone because we actually come out to work. So by 8:30, I leave the house, and her daddy also sometimes he doesn't. So if there is any problem, then what we can do?
Yeah, actually, Brianna's mommy, I wanted to share also with you because yesterday when I was about to call you personally as I'm the class teacher also, because yesterday during the class test paper only, we faced, there is network issue also. So she might face this problem during her exam. So I'll speak to you personally. I'll just find out with, and then I'll let you know. Okay?
If it is
Brianna, mommy?
possible, something. If it is possible, something like all those students who face problem, if you can give us the link in the evening. Then
No, it's no. That is why it's called online. It is during that particular period of time only. That is the way of this online Google form. It is during 8:30 to 9. So at that time only we have to give your exam. And that is why we are saying if you are having difficulty, you have to come to school.
okay,
So
we'll
it is
see.
not that afterwards and you can feel and give. No, it's not that way. It is that during that particular time. I'll just speak to you, Brianna's mommy, because I have many to solve your problems and I have to speak to you. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Anybody else? So I will take the query also, but at present we have, it's a opportunity and privilege that we have our father principal, Father Joseph. So he would like to address to you all. Thank you.
Good morning, parents. Hope all of you are fine and healthy and strong. Yes. So, this is just to thank you for coming and participating in today's meeting conducted by our teachers. It was nice to see so many of you all who are present, but we wanted a full house. Today we don't have a full house. Only maybe 60 out of 112. So almost half parents have not joined. Those who have joined surely must have benefited. And many of your doubts also must have been cleared. So I also thank our teachers who have taken this trouble of conducting this meeting and giving you all this clear instructions, not only for the exam but also for your life, for the children's well-being. We are happy that you all are cooperating with the school, especially in this difficult and hard situation, pandemic. Our teachers are also putting a lot of hard efforts. It is not easy for them also, but yet, because they love the school and all of you and your children, they are very dear to all of us. We, even during vacation, summer vacation, the teachers were coming in the school and we were planning how to go about. So for that, I thank our teachers for their hard work, for their cooperation, for their sacrifice, and for giving their time. Now, just a reminder for you all that as the school is taking a lot of effort, we require also parents to cooperate. Because very often what happens, teachers are putting a lot of efforts, but from the parent side, there is no cooperation. In the sense that children have to be guided. If they were with us over here, it would not be so much of difficulty. But now, since they are not with us, and sometimes the children do not understand everything what teachers tell them. So it becomes a little difficult. But if we have the support and if we have parents cooperating with us, it will be very nice. Because I know teachers send messages in the parents WhatsApp group, and many times they are not followed, or they have not understood, or they are not implemented. My humble request today would be for you, not that no, you all are not doing, but I want little more active participation from you all, so that children benefit. All that we do is for our children, not for our sake, but for our children and their future. So, you all are doing good, but we want little extra effort from your side. And I'm sure you love the school and your children, and you want the best for your children. And surely, with all of us cooperating with one another and holding one another's, will achieve the goal of education. So thank you, parents. Listen to the teachers' instructions, follow them, and if you have any difficulty, please feel free to send your messages in the WhatsApp group or in the email or whatever. Okay? So thank you very much, and God bless you all. And all the best for your exam. Okay? Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I hope all are charged up with our principal's word of message, yes? And glad to see Father giving a valuable message to all of us, for you as parents and for we as teachers. So we thank you, Father, for the same. Take care. God bless you all.